Finally, another year is here, another time to celebrate and cheer for you. We all came to be by your side, just couldn't let a day like this go by. You know it's true, so we say happy, happy birthday, baby. Happy, happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you. We'll revel in the fun tonight. We'll spin around, dancing in delight. For you. And we'll watch you blow those candles out, waiting for our chance to sing and shout. Just for you. And we say